Hello, and welcome. This is Trev Landscapes. This is another one for you today, and as you can see, it's fairly decent in terms of the growth, but we'll start off as usual on the edges, and we'll go around doing the edges and on those tight corners where we can't reach with the mower. Once we have done that, then we start the mowing. We will do the trimmer on the patio as well. But this is it before. For those who have been on this channel before, you might have seen this one previously. But this is how it is, as you can see. So this is the level we're dealing with first. But it's promising to be a good one. This isn't this one. So always stay tuned. Watch out for more from Trev Landscapes. But today, this is it. We are doing this one. Looking good, looking promising. So this is our level. There are a few weeds in there which we need to do something about. But for now, we'll do the trimming. Then we will do the next thing after that, which is the lawn cutting. Enjoy.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
There you are, guys. Our job is done. Look at that. The patio area is clean and tidy. So on this one, we just had to use the strimmer, then the blower after that. So look at that. All weeds gone. But we'll have to do some sort of weed spray just to control them. But look at that. How lovely is that? So edge is done, mowing done, and this is the end result. So our hard work has paid off. Look at this, look at this. So fantastic stuff, guys. I hope you are really enjoying these videos. I'm just trying my best to give you something to enjoy, you know, relaxing and watching some things from start to finish. But that's the aim, guys, just to relax you, enjoying someone working and seeing the difference before and after. So this is it, guys, from me to you. Fantastic stuff, outdoor stuff. And look at this patio also done. Strimmer was used on this one and the blower. Look, look, look. So we'll again summarize as we have done before with what we used today. So this one was a simple job. And look at it, guys. This is what we used. So we used a mower, a strimmer, and a blower. Just that simple. Nothing more, nothing less. This is the mower which is doing the business in this small garden. That's your Honda Easy. And the blower, which I really love, is your Steel BG86C. Very fantastic blower. And this, guys, is my strimmer. That's another Steel one, but look at the brand. This is FS94RC. So very good strimmer it is. I'll have to sort out the cables there, but this is what we ended up using, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and you have actually enjoyed the transformation we did today. But this is it from me to you today, and this is what we used today. Look at that, so let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, invite other people to this channel. It's a simple outdoors channel, Trev Landscapes, where we do some walks. Sometimes we do this kind of jobs just to bring you something different. But, you know, we like to entertain, and this is the way we do it. Thank you ever so much again for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment so that we know what you're thinking and what we need to improve on. Thank you again, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.